Hello class, in this video I will be creating the quotient identities. And the quotient identities involve tangent and cotangent. So let's begin. So just like the reciprocal identities, I'm going to put theta in the bottom left-hand corner. And we're going to start with tangent. So tangent of theta is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So in this case, the opposite side is b, and the adjacent side is a. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to rewrite b divided by a into an equivalent complex fraction. So b divided by something divided by a divided by something. Now, what am I going to put in the denominators of each of those expressions? Well, I could put a 1. That will keep the expressions equal. I could put a 2. That will also keep everything equal. I could put a 7. And that will still keep the ratios equal. And it turns out I can place any number in the denominators as long as the denominators are the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a c here in this first denominator and a c in the second denominator. And to see that these two expressions here and here are equal, note that b divided by c divided by a divided by c is equal to b over c times c over a. And since we have c divided by c, they cancel, and that is b divided by a. Now going back to our identity, b divided by c is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, and that is sine theta. A divided by c is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so that is cosine of theta. So the first quotient identity is tangent of theta is equal to sine theta divided by cosine of theta. The second quotient identity involves the reciprocal of what we currently have. And from the reciprocal identities, we have cotangent of theta is equal to the cosine of theta divided by sine of theta. And these are the two quotient identities.